What is going on, everybody? James Blue Tech coming here. I am sorry it's been such a long time. It's been about, I think, almost 3 weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks at this point, since I uploaded a video. I apologize, a lot going on. The first week I was sick and just a whole bunch of craziness going on though. But right now I want to actually talk to you guys about the Xbox One and if it is actually a good idea to get one in 2020. I made a video on the PS4 and whether or not it was a good idea, so now I'm going to cover the Xbox One. Now, unlike the PS4, the answer isn't as simple as it is here with Xbox. Now, the Xbox One was released in 2013 to very mixed reception, mostly negative, unfortunately, but due to the great work of the Microsoft team and Phil Spencer, they've actually turned that around, and actually now the Xbox One is actually a great contender for the PS4. Now, going forward, now knowing that the Xbox Series X is going to be coming out later this year, is it a good idea to get Xbox One? I would say actually, yes it is. It actually is a good idea to get Xbox One, Xbox One S, or Xbox One X. Now, granted, if you don't really care about the upgrades from the other ones, yeah, you can still get the original big bulky VCR looking Xbox One, but I highly recommend going for the One S or the One X. Now, the real reason why I think that it is not a bad idea to get a One S or One X currently in 2020 is because Microsoft has already come out saying there's not going to be any Xbox Series X exclusives during the first year of the life cycle of the console. Anything that comes out for the Xbox Series X will also be on the One S and One X. And now, currently, right now, the One X is no slouch. It is actually the most powerful console you can get right now, being more powerful than the PS4 Pro and all other consoles currently out there at the moment. So if you do get a One X right now, you'll be getting the most powerful system. Now I know that the Series X will be having 12 teraflops of power. That is actually twice the amount of the One X, but currently right now, the One X being the most powerful system out there, being more powerful than the PS4 Pro and the Nintendo Switch, is actually the best place to play your current gen games. And now I definitely think that having a lot of those next generation games coming out for the One X and the Series X around the same time will definitely help ease the transition from people who currently have the current gen hardware with the One S and the One X and help them transition over to the Series X later on down the line. Now, this is something that's more of like rumors out there, but the other reason why I do feel that it is a good idea to go with the One S or One X right now instead of actually just waiting for the Series X is because there is a potential that the Series X could actually be delayed until 2021 due to the unfortunate coronavirus outbreak that we are currently seeing right now. Now, that is a speculation right now. That's something that's kind of going around. So the Xbox Series X could be delayed. It could not be delayed. But knowing that's a potential out there, you might get some extra life out of your One S and One X console. Now, that being said, the coronavirus is definitely a serious situation. No amount of tech or gaming hardware out there is actually more important than the lives of people. So I definitely think if they choose to actually postpone the Series X, it would be due to very good reasons as to why. And honestly, I'd rather see a console get delayed than more people contract this illness. Now, going back to what I was saying earlier about the Xbox One X being the most powerful current gen console at the moment, that means actually any third-party game you actually play right now will actually look better on the Xbox One X versus any other console out there. So if you want to get the best gaming right now for a console, definitely go with the One X. I personally have the One S. I played on the One X before, so definitely there is a difference between the two consoles. I do enjoy my One S. The One S is actually still a great console, and games do look great on that. But if you had to pick between the two, considering right now that the current gen consoles are the lowest they've ever been at the moment. Actually, I know at GameStop you get it used for I think $270 or $280, which that is still the lowest it's ever been when you get for things that are pre-owned. Now, I think Best Buy has the best deal right now where you can get the 1 terabyte Xbox One X along with Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order for only $299. That is actually a pretty good deal. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you guys actually going to wait for the Xbox Series X, or are you guys going to just pick up a One S or One X console now? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell icon so you guys don't miss any further notifications for videos in the future. If you guys want to hit me up on Patreon and Twitter, I will leave links down in the description below. As always, this has been James of Blue Tech. I'm glad to be back, and I'll catch you guys next time.